In the previous video, we learned how to write second table to ninth table in easy way. In this video, we are going to see the 11th table to 19th table how to write. 11th table we are going to write now. 11th table. In 11th table we have two places are there, ones place and tens place. Ones place is 1 and tens place is also 1. So write one table first. 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4, 1 fives are 5, 1 sixes are 6, 1 sevens are 7, 1 eights are 8, 1 nines are 9, 1 tens are 10. Similarly write one more one table. 1 ones are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now we are going to write the 11th table. 11 into 1 I want. 1 and 1, 1. 11 ones are 11. 11 twos are I want to write. 11 twos are 2 and 2, 22. Likewise 11 threes are 33. 11 fours are 4 and 4, 44. 11 fives are 5 and 5, 55. 11 sixes are 66. 11 sevens are 77. 11 eights are 8 and 8, 88. 11 nines are 99. While writing 11 tens are, we have to be careful. Write the ones place as ones place and add 0 and 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 as tens place, and this one's hundreds place is written as hundreds place. 11 tens are 110. 11th table is over. 12th table. Again in 12th table we have two places, 2 in the ones place, 1 in the tens place. So write one table and two table. One table we know very well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 1 tens are 10. Followed by second table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Now how we are going to write 12th table? 12 ones are 12 I want. 1 and 2, 12. 12 twos are 2 and 4, 24. To write 12 threes are 3 and 6, 36. To write 12 fours are 48. While writing 12 fives are, write this ones place as 0, add 5 and 1. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 12 fives are 60. To write 12 sixes are, write 2 as ones place, add 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Writing 12 sevens are 4 in the ones place, add 7 plus 1 is equal to 8, 84. 12 eights are I want to write 6 in the ones place, 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 12 eights are 96. 12 nines are 8 in the ones place and 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 12 nines are 108. To write 12 tens are 0 in the ones place, add 10 plus 2, 12. 10, 12, 12 tens are 120. Likewise 12th table we can write. After 12th table, let us write 13th table. In 13th table we have 3 in the ones place, 1 in the tens place. So first write one table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 1 tens are 10. Third table, 3 is there in the ones place. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Now to write the 13th table, 13 into 1 I want to write 1 and 3, 13. 13 twos are 2 and 6, 26. 13 3s are 3 and 9, 39. Now to write 12, 13 4s are 2 digit is there. 2 in the ones place, add 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 13 4s are 52. 13 5s are 5 in the ones place and 5 plus 1 is equal to 6 in the tens place. 13 5s are 65. 13 6s are 8 in the ones place and 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. 13 6s are 78. To write 13 7s are 1 in the ones place, 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 91. 13 7s are 91. To write 13 8s are 4 in the tens place and 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. 104. 13 9s are 7 in the ones place, 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. 13 9s are 117. 13 10s are 0 in the ones place and 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. 13 10s are 130. 13 table is over. After 13 table, we will proceed for 14th table. 14th table. Again 1 and 4 tables we have to write. 1 ones are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Fourth table 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and 10 fours are 40. Now let us write 14th table. 14 ones are 14. 1 and 4, 14 we have to write. 14 twos are 2 and 8, 28. 14 threes are 2 in the ones place and 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 13 fours are 42. 14 threes are 42. And 14 fours are 6 in the ones place. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 14 fours are 56. 14 fives are, I want to write 0 in the ones place and 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 14 fives are 70. To write 14 sixes are 4 in the tens place and 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 14 sixes are 84. 14 sevens are 8 in the ones place and 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 14 sevens are 98. To write 14 eights are 2 in the ones place, 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. 14 eights are 112. 14 nines are 6 in the tens place, 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. 14 nines are 126. Last 14 tens are 0 in the ones place, 0 plus 4 is equal to 4 and 1s in the hundreds place. 14 tens are 140. After 14, let us proceed to 15th table. 15th table. Again we will write 1 table and 5 table. 1 ones are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Write in 5 table, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. Now to write the 15th table, 15 ones are 1 and 5, 15. To write 15 twos are 0 and 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. To write 15 threes are 5 in the ones place, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, 45. 15 fours are 0 and 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 15 fours are 60. 15 fives are 5 in the ones place and 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 in the tens place. 15 fives are 75. 15 sixes are 0 in the ones place and 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 in the tens place. 15 sixes are 90. To write 15 sevens are 5 in the ones place, 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 15 sevens are 105. To write 15 eights are 0 in the ones place, 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. 15 8s are 120. Writing 15 9s are 5 in the ones place and 4 plus 3 is equal to 13. 15 9s are 135 and 15 10s are 150. 0 in the ones place, 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. 15 10s are 150. 15th table is completed. After 15, writing 16th table. Again, one table and six table we have to write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And writing the sixth table. 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60. So we will write 16 ones are 1 and 6, 16. To write 16 twos are 2 in the ones place, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 in the tens place. 16 twos are 32. 16 threes are 8 in the ones place, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 16 threes are 48. 16 fours are I want to write. 4 in the ones place, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 16 fours are 64. 16 fives are 0 in the ones place, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 16 fives are 80. 16 sixes are 6 in the ones place and 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 in the tens place. 16 sixes are 96. To write 16 sevens are 2 in the ones place, 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. 16 sevens are 112. 16 eights are 8 in the ones place, 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. 16 eights are 128. 16 nines are 4 in the tens place, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. 16 nines are 144 and 16 tens are 160. 16th table is completed. After the 16th table, moving on to 17th table. One table and 7 table, if you know, you can write 17 table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Writing 7 table. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 twos are 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70. Now going for the 17th table. 17 into 1, 7, 17. To write 17 twos are 4 in the tens place, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, 34. 17 threes are 1 in the ones place, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 17 threes are 51. 17 fours are 8 in the ones place, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 17 fours are 68. 17 fives are 5 in the ones place and 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 17 fives are 85. 17 sixes are 2 in the ones place, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10, 102. 17 sixes are 102. 17 sevens are 7, this 9 in the ones place. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. 17 sevens are 119. 17 eights are 6 in the ones place, 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. 136. 17 eights are 136. 17 nines are 3 in the ones place and 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. 17 nines are 153 and 17 tens are 170. 0 in the ones place, 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. 17 tens are 170. 17th table is over. After 17, let us proceed to 18th table. 18th table has 1 and 8 table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 8 table 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80. So 18 ones are 18, 1 and 8, 18. 18 twos are 6 in the ones place, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 18 twos are 36. 18 threes are 4 in the ones place, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 18 threes are 54. 18 fours are 2 and 4 plus 3 7, 72. 18 fives are 0 and 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 18 fives are 90. 18 sixes are 8 in the ones place and 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. 18 sixes are 108. 18 sevens are 6 in the ones place, 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 126. 18 eights are 4 in the ones place, 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. 18 eights are 144. 18 nines are 2 in the ones place, 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. 18 nines are 162 and 18 tens are 180. 18th table is over. Moving on to the last one, 19th table. We will have to write first table and ninth table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. To write the ninth table, already I gave you one easy method. So 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90. Writing 19th table, 19 ones are 1 and 9, 19, 19 twos are 8 in the ones place and 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 in the tens place. 19 threes are 7 and 5, 3 plus 2, 5. 19 threes are 57. 19 fours are 6 and 4 plus 3, 7. 76. 19 fives are 5 in the ones place. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9 in the tens place. 19 fives are 19 5. 19 sixes are 4 in the ones place. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. And 19 sevens are 3 in the ones place, 7 plus 6, 13. 19 sevens are 133, 19 eights are 2 and 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. 19 eights are 152, 19 nines are 1 in the ones place, 9 plus 8 is equal to 70, 171. 19 tens are 190. Likewise, 11 to 19 table, easily we can understand. After understanding, master them. Thank you. To master the tables from second table to ninth table, to write in a faster way. Every day you write one time. Like I am writing second table. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. My second table is over. To write the third table, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Third table is over. To write the fourth table, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Fourth table is over. Write the fifth table, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Now write the sixth table, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Seventh table, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. Eighth table 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Ninth table 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. Last 10 table 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. 2 to 10 tables I wrote within 3 or 4 minutes.